Web push notifications are a compelling way to engage users even when they're not on your website. One of the leading services to deliver web push notifications is Webpushr. In this video, I'll walk through the simple steps to compose and preview web push notifications using the Webpushr dashboard. My name is Ashley, and I'm a product manager at Webpushr. Before I dive deeper, let's get some prereqs out of the way. 1, you should have a Webpushr account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free at our website. 2, you've already integrated Webpushr to your site and have at least one push subscriber. Now, let me demo how to quickly compose and send a push notification. First, I log into my Webpushr account and select the appropriate site. I then click on the Push Notifications menu item on the left-hand side and click on Manual Push. This takes me to a page where I see a list of all prior push notifications that I had sent using this method along with their delivery stats. I have added a link to a separate video in the description where I explain the delivery stats in detail. I will now click on the Create New Campaign button on the top right. The first thing it asks me for is the name. Please make sure you select a descriptive name for your campaign. Once I have saved the name, it then takes me to a view that has multiple tabs on the top. Think of these tabs as steps in the process, starting from the left and ending on the right. Step 1 is to select the audience. If you've created any segment, those segments will automatically appear in this view. I can also click on Show User Count to see the number of subscribers for my selected segments. I can select multiple segments in this view. Selecting multiple segments does not mean that a user that belongs to more than one segment will get multiple push notifications. We make sure we remove the dupes in the background before the push is sent out. Step 2 is where you compose the message. Each push contains some text and a couple of images. This is where you can upload the images and edit the text. You must also specify the click URL for the notification. This is where the users will be taken to if they decide to click on the push notification. We also give you the option to add UTM parameters to the click URL. This enables you to track clicks and attribute traffic properly on your side of the fence. Once a message is composed, we allow you to configure some advanced but completely optional settings of auto hide and expiration date. Both of these settings are not always supported by all browsers and operating systems. It's important to keep this in mind when you're testing. The first setting of auto hide, if it is supported by the browser and/or operating system, controls if the notification will hide after a few seconds once it is displayed. The second setting of expiration, when supported by the browser and/or operating system, controls if a push is delivered after the expiration date. If you are sending time-sensitive push notifications, you may want to set an expiration date so people who come online after a while don't receive a notification with stale content. The last step is to set the delivery time. You can either schedule the push to be sent out immediately or in a future date and time. Know that the scheduled time zone setting is always the time zone of the person who is logged into the dashboard. There you have it. Please like this video and leave your comments if you found the video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and tips. Bye for now.